Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have another really fun layered papercraft for you. This is my owl on a broomstick layered papercraft. How fun is that owl? The owl has his little witch's hat there on the top, floating around on his broomstick. I love this little jack-o'-lantern right here next to him as well. The background is kind of spooky and all of that. It's really fun. Just like our other layered papercraft of this series, it comes together very easily, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of the 12x12 cutting mat. So you can see right here that it is a little bit less than 11.5 inches high. If you're going to be using this project on a card or in a shadow box and you need to resize it, you can do so here in the sizing options. Just make sure to keep the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make, and you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now there are a good amount of layers here, but don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white piece, then green, light purple, dark red, orange, dark blue, dark purple, and then black. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our owl on the broomstick layered papercraft is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? I love that little owl, he makes me smile. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.